Oh guys, yeah, this is right, so I go train, it's train, I think I get the train, guess I eat, and okay, that, so I got that, and corrects, I had that, that's the fight, that fight, because I get correct, I got that, because I accidentally get the toilets for the injury. It's like a text, things like that. But I really get go get a razor, but I couldn't find it, so I really I since because like it's that kind, and that's like that doing right so okay, that next. Yeah, I can take that. Alright, we're going. Take that. Get that next tank. Cause so right. Okay. Do next. So okay. Go and open next. Oh, okay, right. So I think I go to. So it's okay. Okay, that side. I like that tank. Okay. Okay. So quick science, back, add science, so okay, add tanks, tanks, the data tanks, I took the talk at the tanks. So I have that things like every all day I got to a right? So thanks. Because alright, I'm gonna get the tanks. So, get that tank 663. So, get that today, and sticker. Also, stay that tank, and so, go have a don't set the tag that they can like get that thing because of the they could think of the they could say that you can do that and this is the reasons I this page has activate. So you can see dancing since you can and get that the epic spank. Okay, great. Okay, thanks. Okay, sorry. Okay, actually, that's the four right. That, right. Okay. That's so cause like get the things I have to take the top and then the rank the front get that thing but okay right just like that thing I think the next I can take I can't the thing set the crash today. But I really think that today. So that extinct. Not that extinct. I get the busy. But okay, but it doesn't get that that constraint. So that constraint. I can see that's the banks. It's okay. Things like that are going to take, so I think that actually. So I think that are going to take, alright, free that thing. And then it's called. Alright, let's see. Look at that content, so the code length. So I think selecting string length, I think that for this screen, this is the length code. And then we got the cable that we click it to the code to the frequency. Oh, I didn't see already. I didn't think like there's a things I can do right. If we're on constraint, right. So if we're doing like a constraint, and then I can't get that. So yeah, if you're doing constraint, yeah, I can't get that thing. I really like the ice. But at the right at that time I don't it 26 setup. It says corrects upright galaxy and frequency. And I went down to detected to alert what's I think a galaxy. And so yeah, today it's like straight drink. I have 2 days, like 4 days of daily surgery, right? Okay, it's so high because of that right? So okay, that case. But if we actually okay. Yeah, that's it. The same thing take the extra line. I don't know how to explain. Forget that HD60 that the 8 to the other. So I could think that there's like a classic series, right? But I think that the correct state. I think that there's like 5 minutes around to do it, right? That I had that card free, I think. I had it. I had the Sunday, like 12 days like the rank and the rank and the Android display. So I really think that it's strange, right? But that's kind of it. I think. But guys, I hope you got that right. Correct. I think that I think of the links. I subscribe. The thanks, right? I got the link. Okay, guys, I hope that because I ain't something I can try that I can try check the right. I think that goes get the right. I get the right.